Yogi Clan, good morning. Sorry I'm bringing you a video from the truck. I have appointments today for work, so I gotta take the truck versus taking Big Bertha. So here we are. But I got now this video may not be, if you're not a subscriber, this video may not make a whole lot of sense to you. If you're a subscriber, you might enjoy this. I just want to give you kind of an update on what's up lately and why you're not watching a wrenching video right now today. Because what I've been trying to do is release some moto vlogs on Tuesdays and release some wrenching videos on Thursdays. But man, there has been so much between getting Forged Brotherhood Motorcycle Club up and off the ground, 3 kids graduating school, 2 gender reveal parties, a high school / college graduation party, our anniversary, I think a few birthdays in there somewhere. Yeah, it's been a little full. So Mama had, we started redoing our deck years ago, a couple of years ago. I don't want to mention how many years ago, put it that way. We'll leave it at that, okay? And I did everything except the handrails. And it's been a couple of years, and I got the wood last year with a stimulus check to do the handrails, and it's been sitting really in the driveway, still banded, for about a year now. So finally, I'm doing the handrails. So I have spent the last couple nights, or really the last couple weeks, really prepping, getting all the wood cut, getting all it painted. So the last 2 nights I've been assembling handrails. So I might bring you some video footage of that, because it's actually been kind of funny. It's looking pretty cool. It's looking like it's coming out pretty nice. So I may be switching for the next 30 days for some wrenching videos to some honeydew list videos. So this might be a little summer segment on Yogi getting some honeydew list stuff done. The garage has been the shop's been kind of slow, and that's fine. I'm okay with that. I'm gonna be doing some work on my bikes. I'm gonna be putting new front suspension on Miss Piggy. We're going to be going after those oil seat or those gaskets on the top end of the motor and replacing some of those gaskets, try to get that to stop leaking, fixing the primary, and putting a new rear tire on it. So those wrenching videos are coming, but before I probably do that, I need to get this deck done. So I've been working mad on that. We also have 1,800 square feet of hardwood floors we're going to be putting down. That's so Friday after work, I'm going to bring a dumpster home from work, and this weekend we're going to start tearing out hardwood floors. Monday, half of the house goes down, and then I shift the furniture over, rip out the rest of the flooring, and then Friday of next week, the balance of the floor goes down. And then Saturday, Mama flies to DC and brings to Charlotte 26 host kids from Ukraine. These are typically kids coming from a boarding school, aka orphanage, out of Ukraine. She's bringing them back to Charlotte on Sunday, and we're going to be hosting 2 Ukrainian kids. I think they're like ages 9 and 10 or 9 and 11, something like that. I'll find out. But and then I still have to get the handrail to the deck done at that point in time, because we also on Friday have a social worker coming to the house, because Mama and I are in the process of working on renewing our foster license. James 1:27, pure and undefiled religion before the God and the Father is this, to care for the widow and the orphan in their time of need. That's what we do. So despite everything else going on, that's what we're doing. So I got to get the handrail done. It's got to pass, like safety inspection. My deck's like 7 feet off the floor. We're going to sand down and stain the deck and the posts and everything. I might have some video fun with that too. And I'm sorry, it's 8 o'clock in the morning and the sunlight's not really so swell and conducive for filming. My apologies. So that's kind of what's going on. A short little snippet, wide open, but very blessed. So yeah, over the next 30 days. Oh, and I found out, so last year I put out a video. Each year I find just the most amazing creatures on our property. Last year it was the hammerhead worm. Craziest thing I ever did see. Well, this year, although it's not crazy because there have been child books written about them, but I found out we had some moles in our front yard, which, we used to have cats, so we've never had moles. Well, the past couple of years we haven't had a cat anymore. For probably the first time in about 30 years we haven't had a cat. And now we're getting all kinds of critters, man. There's little lizards everywhere, which is fine with me. They eat the bugs, have at it. The only problem is that the lizards we'll probably bring snakes. Or whatever bigger predator eats the lizards. But anyways, see, the food chain's all thrown off. Anyways, we have moles in the front yard. So I've been watching YouTube videos about, removing moles. And everybody does these like smoke bombs. I'm going to smoke them out. I'm going to flood them out. I'm going to do, there's all these baits that you can drop in the holes. Man, I don't want to do any of that junk. I want to hunt. I want to go old school. Because that's what I like, is old school stuff. So I'm going hunting. So the past 2 days I went hunting. And last night, before I went hunting, I was like, I should really bring a camera with me. Nah. Because my wife's sitting out in the driveway. I'm like, I'll feel stupid if I'm filming a video with a camera. Sure enough, I found said moles. My hunting paid off. I put that shovel in the ground, popped that wad of dirt out, and 2 of them popped out. I was like, oh my gosh, I'm like infested. We dispatched the moles, and that's all I'm going to say about that. Today, when walking the dogs, I went back up there to see if it looks like there's any fresh activity. And I suspect there may be another mole up there. I'm watching, I'm monitoring. I'm looking to see if I have any fresh disturbed dirt. If I find more fresh disturbed dirt, I'll bring y'all with me next time. But I'm not going to show you, I'm not going to show anything happening to said mole. But they will be dispatched. So I've been battling moles. I've been working on my deck. I got stuff I need to do to the bike. Trying to start a motorcycle club, get it up on its feet. Not me, we are trying to start a motorcycle club, get it up off its feet. I'm just a cog in the wheel. Yeah, life's been pretty busy lately, but it's been really good, so I have no complaints. So I thank you all for watching this video. If you've made it this far, you probably are already your subscribers. If not, mash that subscribe button, and I'll just take you along for more adventures. I'm gonna try to keep it focused on motorcycles, because that's what I really love. And I just hope you enjoy the ride with me. All right, y'all. I'll catch you later. Thanks for joining. This weekend I'm going to be working in the house, so I'll probably be filming that fiasco. All right, y'all. Catch you later. Peace.